Alright, so what's up everybody, welcome back to the TechCider channel. Today we are checking out the best PC that you can get for only $600. $600! Do you realize how cheap it is compared to the previous, you don't even realize how powerful it is compared to the previous build. Let's start. So starting off with the AMD build, we are going to go with the AMD Ryzen 5 4500, which is basically a very cut down version of the 5600X. It has the same core count, it has the same cores, but it has a very low boost clock and base clock. It has it's $95, it's at a 65 watt TDP, which is really low, so any cooler should be able to cool it down. For the CPU cooler, we are going to go with a Deepcool AK400, which is really overkill for the CPU, but you will get a lot of overclocking headroom with that, so well, don't complain, I guess. Alright, so for the bonder board, we are going to go with the MSI A520A Pro bonder board, which has 2 RAM slots, 64 gig max, which is good. We're going to only use 16. It's $70. It has 1 NVMe slot and 1 PCIe slot, which is all you really need for this kind of PC. Alright, and for the RAM we are going to go with the Team Group GeForce Dark ZA 16 gigs at 3600 MHz. It's a 2x8 sticks and it has an 18 cast latency, which is really good. Alright, and so for the storage we are going to go with the Adata Legend 840, which is 1TB and $80. It is a very good drive, it's PCIe 4.0, and there's nothing that you can get that performs better than this at this price. For the case we are going to go with the Thermaltake Versa H18 Mini Tower, which is an amazing case. You can have it at $51, which is just amazing. It has very good airflow. And for the power supply, we're going to go with the Cooler Master MWE. It's an 80+ efficiency at 600 watts, which is a lot more than what the system would draw, so it's very good. Alright, and as for the graphics card, we're going to go with the XFX Speedster Quick 210 RN 6500 XT 4GB. It's a $180 card and it's very good. I think it matches the 6600 in terms of performance, like the regular version, the default. And so after all of that, the total cost comes to $590, which is $10 less than the $600 budget we put to ourselves. It's a very good system. You can use it if you're only using it for office work. It will last you for about 6 years, and then you will have to start replacing things like the SSD or the RAM, but nothing more than that. Moving on to the Intel build. Alright, and for the Intel build we're going to go with the Intel Core i3 10105F, which is slightly worse than the 4500, the Ryzen 5 4500, but it is still a very good CPU. And with that we are going to go with the MSI H510MA Pro, which supports an NVMe and PCIe 4. So you're going to get the best out of your money for only $80. And the total cost comes to around $585, which is just amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!